I have any phone behind it? No, right? This is the picture. Okay? So can you see bands? This black color, black bands. Pictures, black bands. In the screen also can you see bands? So
yeah, the screen.
this is just color, black color. So this one picture is the combination of many pictures. When I am moving this over here, each band, this band and this band is getting completed like this. So when I am moving it, it looks like the horse is running. You got it?
Yeah.
So in earlier days, people used to use this for moving this concept.
It is for movie.